The Green Infrastructure Center selected New Kent County to take part in a field test called the Green Infrastructure Project, using planning tools for connected communities.
The goal for the project was to create a series of asset maps and recommendations that the county could use as a planning tool. A very important part of this project was the creation of a 20-member focus group. We held 4 meetings throughout the duration of the project, and the focus group contributed their ideas, and those ideas were included in the final report and in the asset maps. The Community Development Department intends on utilizing the results of the Green Infrastructure Project in the update of the comprehensive plan and when reviewing rezoning applications, site plans, and subdivisions. The data and maps that this project has provided will also help staff in the Environmental Division, Parks and Recreation Department, Economic Development Department, Public Utilities Department, and the GIS Division.
For more information on the Green Infrastructure Center project, please visit www.greeninfrastructurecenter.org. Other land use projects the county helped support this year included Habitat for Humanity.
The McLaughlin family was able to help Richmond Metro Habitat for Humanity and the New Kent Committee by donating and selling this piece of land to us. Eventually we hope to build 6 homes here. Right now we've just started with our first 2, but we had a nice relationship with the county. John Badesky, George Homewood, Rodney Hathaway, all they helped us work on our subdivision development. We would like to stress the fact that these homes are not given to the homeowners, that the homeowners actually buy the homes from Richmond Metro Habitat for Humanity. They're serviced through a 0% mortgage from VHDA. And they do have to qualify based on certain income requirements.
Earlier this year, the county's Erosion and Sediment Control Program was reviewed by the Department of Conservation and Recreation.
Earlier this year, the county's Erosion Sediment Control Program was reviewed by DCR, the Department of Conservation and Recreation. We were checked on implementation, record keeping, inspections, and site plan reviews. The county was found to be fully compliant by the Soil and Water Conservation Board, which is a rarity for the first pass. So it was something of an achievement for New Kent County to be found compliant earlier this year.
In January of 2009, the Board of Supervisors adopted significant zoning changes.
The product of the change collapsed the number of zoning categories in business and industrial down to 3, had adopted performance standards for all of the various uses in the business, commercial, industrial, and economic opportunity districts, and generally made things easier for the consumer and the businessman by improving the business friendliness of the county, because now the rules and regulations are well known, they're set out in writing, and anybody can know what is expected of them before they ever come to the table. This improves transparency, improves friendliness, and hopefully improves our posture in attracting new and better business to the county. Approximately 1 year ago, we received word from the Federal Emergency Management Agency that they had completed work on the map modernization project for the flood insurance rate maps for New Kent County that they had begun several years ago. And on the 25th of September 2009, the county became fully compliant with the National Flood Insurance Program and using the new maps.
Because New Kent is located between 2 historic and important river systems, our county was included in Virginia's Beaches and Dunes Act.
In the summer of 2008, New Kent County Wetlands Board was notified that we had become part of the Beaches and Dunes Act for the state of Virginia, bringing our local beaches and dunes into jurisdiction of the VMRC. On August 10th of 2009, the Board of Supervisors adopted the Beaches and Dunes Act, bringing the jurisdiction of the local beaches and dunes of New Kent County to the Wetlands Board. The Wetlands Board is comprised of 5 citizens, and it's these citizens that would permit the impacts to our local beaches and dunes.